Wait. Okay. 1208. 1208. What is that? 1208. Archives. I got this out of the archives. That's New York. Wait, I'm just living on. Whoops, sorry. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Okay, so move that back. Move this over. And then you can still see the trail. Wait, I could go back. Wait, a little bit. Okay. Did we go back too far? No, I did. Too far. Go back to here. 1206, 1208. Wait. There it is again. 1208. I'm going to move the screen here. I can even blow it. Maybe I can make it bigger. And then move it over. Oops, moved it over too much. 1208. Okay. Makes a funky sound, right? I don't know where it's going to hit. It's funny how it's like, I can't go more into Queens. That's about it. For Queens. Wait, move over. Okay. I guess that's the end of that. Maybe it fell in the water. There's another one. There's another one. Right behind it. That's a black ball going through the sky. Tell me it's a helicopter, I'll believe you. Wait. Hold on. Oops, sorry. Wait, let me move that over. Hold on. There it goes again. There it goes again. Trying to blow it up. There it goes again.
Currently in our area, 69 degrees under cloudy skies.
There was so many today. Now it's going to the clouds. I hear another one right now.
For tonight, rain developing late.
See if there's any more coming going. This is around 12:08 p.m. You know, that's New York skyline. I watched this. It's from the Statue of Liberty torch. I just move it down so I can see the sky. You see what I do? What's that? There's one going north. I don't know if that's another ball. Oops, sorry. I don't know what that is. Another black ball. Someone coming north. I didn't notice that one before. Oh God, this is distressing. Uh-oh. What's that? Oh, it's still going north. Good. Okay. I'll make the city smaller. So I can spot it. A little bigger and move it down. A little bigger, move it down. Just to watch what's in the sky. That's south. That's north. I would swear we're being, like, attacked. There's another one coming from the south. Yeah, wait. I wish that menu would go away. Do you see that? Oops. Shit. I hope you see that. It's much better. I can blow it up on my camera. Now I can't find it. Oh shit. Here, screams. Let me do. Oh, look at another one. Wait, where is it?